Whew, boys and girls, we only had a 53% on this math assignment today. So let's take a look at these two problems that were missed. In this case, when we have the first one, we have some missing numbers, and you can't just pick a random number and start there. You have to go with some information that has at least two numbers in it. Like if I wanted to find this answer, I would look at 9 times nothing here gives me nothing. That only has one number that I can deal with, one factor, 9, and I don't know the other factor, and I don't know the answer. In order to figure that out, we have to at least know two of them. So I'm going to go to the next blocks. This one is 9 times another missing factor, so we cannot find the product in this one either first. So let's go to the 8th row. We have 8 times 4. Now we have the two factors here, 8 times 4. We can find our product. 8 times 4 is 32, so I'm going to click and drag that into the box. Now in the other one, I have 8 times something equals something. So again, I need the other factor or I need a product in order to find the missing number. Since I only have one digit, 8, I can't find this one yet. So I'm going to go to my next category. If I wanted to find for this missing factor, I would have to do 4 times something equals 24. In this case, because I have my answer, I have the product, I have the 4, I have two numbers that I can work with, so that helps me figure out the other factor. 24 in 4 groups is 6. So I'm going to click and drag my 6 here. 4 times 6 is 24. Now that I have this factor, I can work on finding this number, but again, I don't have the other factor to find this product. I need at least two numbers. 6 and something equals something. It's not enough information. So I can't solve for this one yet. So I'm going to go to another box. If I'm looking for this box, I can see that there's a 56 here. That's going to be my product. The other factor is 8. So 56 in 8 groups will tell me my other factor here. 56 in 8 groups. It's got to be either 3 or 7. Well, I don't think 56 in 3 groups would be 8. So I'm going to move 7 over here, knowing that I can always change it and do more math to prove my work later. Now that I have a 7 here, I can work on this other factor. I know that 9 times 7 is 63. And there's my 63. I'm starting to fill in more boxes. And now I have 3 that are left. So the good news is now that I have this 7, I can do 6 times 7 and find out this product, 42. And now I have just the bottom row left to see what I can work with. 9 times something, something, something. So 9 times something is going to be my final row. And in this instance, I have the 6 here now. So this 18 is going to be the number that I have to work with, my product. One of the factors is 6. The product is 18. So 6 times something equals 18. 6 times 27, 6 times 24, those would be very large numbers. So even if you didn't know 6 times 3 is 18, that's the answer that makes the most sense. Now that I know this other factor is 3, I can figure out my final two products. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. Since all of the other numbers are accurate and they fit, then I know for sure that one is my 7, and I can be finished and go on to the next problem.